this.
Okay, so this year, me and my friend Maciej wanted to travel to a northern country and make money at the same time. Well, Iceland was randomly selected as our destination. Already on the bus to Vienna, we met this Czech girl who had been working in Iceland for around 2 years. Well, we had a great conversation during the journey, and she gave us so much advice and even helped us later during our first week in Iceland. We figured it's cheaper to rent a car to sleep in it and travel at the same time than paying for accommodation. Well, after a few days in Reykjavik, we decided to travel the south coast together with Marcel. We visited Beak, where Game of Thrones was shot. Well, next we went to so-called Diamond Beach, where there's a volcano sand beach and glacier. We visited the waterfalls of Skaftafell. And in the end, we decided to spend the night there. The car had to be returned. We needed to find a cheap place to stay, so we went to Akranes.
Day 6, we still do not have a job or a place to live. It's been raining like non-stop, so it was quite uncomfortable. Sent a lot of emails yesterday evening. We're hoping to get some responses. We might make some phone calls today, and we're meeting our friend who is about 2 minutes like hour away from here. So yes.
It was the only month in the whole camp. It poured and the temperature got as low as to like 5 degrees Celsius in the night.
Everything is soaking wet. Right now I'm sitting on a toilet seat here because this space around me is basically the only space where it's warm. It's like this bathroom with a toilet. Most of the time during the day we're staying here and we're having an office session with our laptops and za které nabíjíme momentálně který zařízení?
Momentálně jsou všechny kromě toho, kterým to točíš.
Jo. Just one source of power and that is this power outlet.
Hello, hello, hello. It is day 11 of our journey and I have to jump off this thing. I'm currently in Reykjavik. Well, I went to some hotels personally with my CV to ask whether they've got any jobs available, which it seems they do, but they usually just tell you like they don't have the information and general application. Finally, at a time where my budget was almost sucked up, we got an email reply.
Mail. Yeah, our manager is here until around 16 or.
Oi, oi. Very first job, is that right?
Alrighty.
Looks promising. We're starting in 3 days. We don't have a contract.
2 days.
Yeah, on Monday.
2 days.
Yeah.
Not 3.
We don't have a contract yet, but hopefully that'll be solved in the upcoming days.
Today we tried hitchhiking again and it worked really well.
Yeah.
An old man stopped us. I was in debate with him about what is a sin and if a baby is a sinner and whether you're against Jesus or with Jesus or if there's anything between. And it was really fun actually.
Yeah, I kind of like leaned on
in the back seat. Let's see what the next days are gonna bring.
I think just happiness and pure joy.
Well, are they gonna be full of joy and happiness? See in the next video.